Formula for success is fairly simple. The success also brings the financial freedom and money, so I don't have to worry again for paying my expenses and live the life that I always wanted, and even more so that I want now, without once again worrying that I don't have money to pay expenses from one month to another. What lifestyle do I really want? What is that more I really want in life? These are the questions when it comes to asking yourself about what is the success for you. Because the meaning of success has a different meaning for all of us. Obviously, eventually, 99% of our understanding of success comes down to money, because whether you want to accept it or not, money comes with a certain lifestyle, what we then assign to our idea about success. So eventually, yes, 99% of success is measured by money. And sooner you accept it in a positive and motivating way, easier it's going to be for you, because it's not something against money and hating money and all this kind of stuff. However, as soon as you accept that success has been and always will be measured by money, at least up to 99%, you are really on a way to achieve that success. Now, once again, as we said, it's not all about the money, but money will allow you a certain level and certain standard of lifestyle. Then you can also take care about your health, about your education, about your relationships, about your traveling, about your fun time, about discovering new places. And this is actually what success is. So when it comes to success, how do you actually really apply the formula for success? As we said, it's very simple. If you want to do well, you have to pick up something that's good. Find the answer and take it to as many people as you can. Don't always look around, because you don't need to really. Until you explore what you already have, don't go and look around, because you already have more than you actually need. You just need to see it. So this is really formula for success, which is pretty simple. Pick up something good, find the answer, and take it to as many people as you can, and start by looking what you already have. Don't make the complicated plan. Take the simplicity into that. Put the self-learning into it, and learn how to handle the time with the patience. Plan which is not complicated, simplicity, self-education, and knowing how to handle the time. Enjoy your success.